Let me introduce our names. And my name is Muhammad Iqbal. This is Fitria Sari. Then Muhammad Alfiz. Then Norman Joshua Sinaipar. And the last beautiful one is Dulu Masufa. Okay? We will talk about concrete because it's the one of the most important thing in engineering. And all of you will be engineer, inshallah. And we will talk. We will explain you about the general information about concrete. And we divide it in 7 parts. First, the definition of concrete. Then the unique quality of concrete. Then the concrete materials. Then concrete steps. Then the advantage of using concrete. Then the weaknesses of concrete. And the last one, absolutely the conclusion. Okay, we will spend your time about 20 minutes. And to support our presentation, we will use the overhead projector, and we have made the presentation file. So we will show you several pictures. Okay, for the first part and the second part will be explained by Fitria Sari. We wish you can pay attention to our presentation, and Fitria, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning all. My name is Fitria Sari. I will explain you about the definition of concrete and the separate.
Take the
and I will show you Okay, I will explain you about the definition of concrete and separate. I will show you some pictures. Okay, do you know concrete? Okay, I will explain it. Concrete is a composite construction materials, composite of cement, Portland, and other cementitious materials such as fly ash, aggregate generally, of quartz made of gravel, of rocks such as limestone or granite, plus a fine aggregate such as sand, water, a small amount of air and chemical admixture. Okay. This is example the picture of concrete which is finished. Okay, the second point I will explain you about the unique quality concrete. Concrete is the major building material that can be delivered to the job site in plastic state. This unique quality makes concrete desirable as a building material because it can be molded to virtually any form or shape. Okay, that's the meaning of concrete shortly. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for Fitria. And third part will be explained by Muhammad Alfiz.
Itunya dikasih pointernya. Boleh. Just press. You don't have to point then. Just press.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my friend. I will to be continue this presentation. My name is Muhammad Alves. I will explain concrete material. Concrete material consists of number one is cement. Example cement is cement padang, cement gresik, and other. Number two is number four water. Number five is small amount of air, and number six admixture if required. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Muhammad Alfis. For next part will be explained by myself. I will explain you about the concrete state. I wish you still in your best concentration because the work ability depending on the concrete states. And the first state is plastic. When the concrete is first mixed, it's like a bread dough, and it's soft and can be worked or be molded into different shapes. Concrete is states during the placing and compaction. And the most important properties of plastic concrete are workability and cohesiveness. And if you walk on it, you will sink like the picture in the slide. Let's we continue to the second part, second step. Then concrete begins to stiffen. The stiffening of concrete when it's no longer soft is called setting. Setting takes place after compaction and during finishing. When concrete that's in concrete where is loopy or wet may be easy to place, but will be more difficult to finish. And if you walk on it, you will leave footprints like the picture in the slide. And the second step is hardening. After concrete has set, it begins to gain strength and harden. Hardened concrete will have no footprints on it if you walk on. And the properties of hardened concrete are strength and durability. Okay, I think that's all. Always remember that concrete has three states. First, the plastic state, then setting state, and the last one is hardening state. Okay, thank you. For the next part will be explained by Norman Joshua Sianipan. For Norman, time is yours.
Okay, good morning. Let me reintroduce my name again. I am Norman Joshua to continue the presentation. The advantages of using concrete. Fresh concrete can be easily molded in any shapes depending on the needs of construction. So before the construction begin, the digesting or printer when the shapes of the concrete molded, you can print it in any shape. To concrete applying high strength and corrosion resistant properties or contaminated by environmental conditions, like the presentation of group 2 caused by acid rain, concrete resistant for the contamination of the environmental condition. Number 3, concrete resistant to high ultimate temperatures in cause of a fire. So when fire happen, the concrete still stand. It just maybe color black, but the shape is still exists. For low maintenance cost. You have known it before. 5, relatively cheap and easy to buy. Also, it's durable. Okay. This is some of maybe applications of concrete. As a result, concrete have a much wide range of structural applications, including pavements, which is Besides, with its highway design, building, pipes, unit masonry, floor slabs, beams, columns, walls, dams, tanks, etc. And the next presentation, Lulu, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for my partners, Norman Joshua, Sianipan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning class, what time is it? My name is Luluk Masufa. I want to tell you about weakness of concrete. The first, lack of concrete is set up a structure in very large volumes need when compared to steel, so as to withstand the same load volume of concrete required number of for more than on steel. The second, normal concrete has comparatively low tensile strength, and for structural application it is normal practice to incorporate to steel bars the resistential force. Tensile strength of concrete is approximately 10% of its compressive strength and is not reliable because of frequent cracks. Okay, conclusion. First, concrete is very important thing in human civilization. Second, concrete is widely used in domestic, commercial, recreational, rural, and educational construction. Okay, thank you for your attention. Back to.
Okay, thank you very much, Lulu Masufa. I think that's all our presentation. If you have any question, just raise your hand. Anyone?
Three question.
No, thank you.
Clear?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, thanks for your attention, and a lot of sorry for you for our mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.